major retail outlets have deemed Larson Electronics UV disinfection box for packages the best size and solution for delivery package disinfection. Our UV disinfection box is an ideal solution for a variety of facilities, including businesses that receive a lot of package deliveries from DHL, UPS, Amazon, FedEx, and others. Online mega retailers have called our package disinfection box their recommended choice, and it's easy to see why. This UV disinfection oven can disinfect packages measuring up to 26 inches long by 26 inches wide by 16 inches high, and kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other pathogens found on boxes. This powerful disinfection oven features 15 UV lamps that offer a UVC output range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers with a general output of 254 nanometers. This box can be mounted for a more permanent solution, but has a flat base for standalone operations. This durable UV sanitation box is an ideal solution for a variety of industries and uses, including lobbies, airports, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, retail outlets, medical centers, office buildings, commercial locations, industrial facilities, home use, and more. With the pandemic still a reality, extra precautions should be taken to keep yourself, your staff, and your family safe. This UV disinfection box can be left where packages are dropped off with instructions for delivery personnel to leave packages inside the box. This ensures that no one will ever have to touch a potentially contaminated box and risk getting sick. We have this UV disinfection box in stock and ready to ship immediately. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.